Alrighty, I'm starting some apple seeds from seed. I use the paper towel method inside the refrigerator. And as you can see, some of these, one-handed is terrible. I need to get a tripod. Some of these are sprouting. At least they were when I looked last time. Yeah, there we go. See that? That apple seed is sprouting. Now it's been in the refrigerator for about a month and a half, 2 months. And so what I'm going to do is just put it in regular old potting mix. Like so. Pick this guy off. Place him down. Little hole. Cover it. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to do all of them. Alright, check you back in a second. Alright, as you can see, there's a few more that are ready. I'm just trying to grab the ones that are ready. The rest I'll put back in the refrigerator. So, grab the seed. Make a little hole. Drop it in. Make a little hole. Make a little hole. Grab the seed and drop it in. Grab the other seed and drop it in. Okay. If they grow a little bit extra, they'll start to root into the paper towel. That's fine. Just cut the paper towel out. Try not to cut any of the roots and plant the entire paper towel. If you can pull it apart, that's even better, but if you can't, then better be safe than sorry. Just plant the whole paper towel in there. It'll be fine. And here's an example where it's starting to grow into the paper towel. I'm going to try to pull it apart. Yeah, see, I was able to get it out. And same thing, just dig a little hole. Drop it in. Alrighty, so that's 11 seeds. I'm just going to shake it to cover. And then I'm going to water. Oh boy, my watering jug is really heavy. Alright. One-handed. Let's do it. Alright, that didn't work out so well. Alright, I'll water these in. That's the video. Thanks. Bye.